Monica, are we okay to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can start.
So, namaskar and good evening all. This is Monica from YA. After the wonderful session that we had last week, once again, we are back with another initiative from YA. My gratitude to all the schools, principals, teachers, students, and their parents for being part of the session. So, before beginning the session, a brief about YA. Well, YA is an entertainment program and it is to educate, engage, inform, and entertain young people like all of you out there. So we look forward to bring informative, interactive, and knowledge-based sessions and programs from time to time, for which I request you to follow our Facebook page where you will be updated about the coming sessions. And so glad to be back with you online. Yes, with yet another lovely session. Last week we talked about increasing our immunity levels to fight the pandemic, which is all over. So this time we thought of conquering the taste buds. With our chef Rahul Singhal, who's all set to make mouth-watering recipes in the session. Fireless recipe for kids and yummy cooking for mommy. So all set, over to you, Shilpa, to introduce Rahul. Can you hear me, Shilpa?
Rahul, I request you to mute yourself. Can I ask you to? Thank you, Monica. A very good evening and warm welcome to participants here. Thank you for such encouraging response in session 1 also and this 2 also. Webinar by YA. To brief you, that's by Dr. Medhavi Gautam, who gave us lots of tips on increase our immunity with intake nutrients, diet, pandemic. And we talk about food is not good, and we got Rahul Singhal do some interesting session and share his secret recipes and with teachers and fathers for the welcome Rahul here on board with us. It's lovely having your secret recipes to introduce Rahul. Rahul has got experience of over 14 years with the IT industry. He began his career as a resident by the Ram Palace Hotel by Taj Group. There he actually for continental cuisine. As a professional, he finally joined Bella Casa, followed the Fern by the Lalit in Bangalore. So he's been traveling all over India, and then he went overseas with a very interesting assignment with cruise online cruise line. So he was working with the US company Oceania Cruise for about 4 years. It's so exciting to be a part of. So India called Country Love, who's began his own venture of catering and developing kitchen. Lots of good wishes to you, Rahul. Apart from, he's also corporate head chef, which comprises of 3 properties. One is the इससे हमें कुछ सिखाएंगे और उसको भी and because as the name says library में very interesting setup with meal presented. So we grabbed him session. Wasting much time to you, Rahul. It's some fantastic things. And before that, we can just please and follow Rahul at Instagram in the name of Will Say. Right, Rahul? So
Yeah.
please session, all of you. Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Shilpa, you are inaudible. Can you just see your settings and all? Your voice has been cracking.
I think so. We should begin now. You want me to repeat it?
Go ahead. Yeah, you were. The voice was cracking a bit, so let's continue with the session. I think the network problem was there. Somewhere.
Here we are with Chef Rahul Singh. Hi, Rahul. Welcome on board.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Hello. Hi, everyone. I welcome you all to this session for the pilot cooking for kids from Ya has started a great initiative. जो भी घर पे हैं उनको दे थ्रू them थोड़ा सा उनको हुकअप करने के लिए या थोड़ा सा उनको कंटिन्यूअसली वर्किंग रखने के लिए अलग अलग सेशंस करा रहे हैं. So thank you for letting me doing this session. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Chef Rahul, as Shilpa has already told you. So right now I'm working in Jaipur. Or Jaipur, I have a handle by the name Cook Ilse, that is on Instagram. So after these recipes and all, if you really want to do any kind of if you want to in any other recipes or the interesting recipes which I have posted on Instagram, you can see it there, or you can do the DM direct there. So let's before starting, let's just see the recipe which will be there on your screen. Shilpa, you just put the recipe on the screen if possible. So today what I am gonna prepare is first is mango pinwheel with Nutella dip. So mango I have decided to take because it's the mango season, summer season, mango season. So and mango keeps every baby happy. If baby is happy, then tummy is happy, and if tummy is happy, of course the mothers are happy. So the chain goes like that. So that's why I'm making mango pinwheel. So pinwheel is actually a sandwich which is rolled in a wheel kind of thing, and you can see from the center, it's round like a pinwheel. So that's why it is named as a pinwheel sandwich. So for this sandwich, what I require here is mango. This is mango jam. I have prepared this homemade mango jam and mango cut mango. These are brunoise, small brunoise of mango. एप्पल को हम कभी भी कट करते हैं तो हम उसको हमेशा नींबू पानी में मतलब एक पानी में ठंडे पानी में और नींबू डाल के रखते हैं, जस्ट नॉट टू गेट इट. अगर आपका मैंगो एप्पल कभी भी आपका कटा हुआ होगा, so better always keep it covered or layered with lemon and a bit of water. उसके अलावा मैंगो जूस है मेरे पास, जो भी मैंगो जैम बनाने के लिए निकला था उसका जूस बचा था, I am using that. Then mixed fruit jam, this is the Kisan mixed fruit jam. If you want, you can get it from the market. Nutella and chocolate dip. This is the chocolate sauce, the Hershey's chocolate sauce which is available. So what I'll do, I'll start with the bread first. So उसके लिए I need to cut these breads. I need to cut the edges of these breads actually. We are doing this completely fireless, so it's for the safety of the kids as well. So don't worry, mamas, just be ready to have some nice dish for your son or daughter whosoever is going to prepare it. So what now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place these breads overlapping from the edges, and I'm gonna roll it with a rolling pin. So it will get flattened up, and we have a complete bread loaf kind of a thing. अगर आपके पास नॉर्मल ब्रेड है जो कि विदाउट कटेड है, so it's great, just get a slice, the complete slice out, and you need to worry about that. Otherwise हमारे पास अगर घर पे है, I am doing this just because I wanted to show you कि अगर आप घर पे बना रहे हैं तो किस तरह आप इसको modify कर सकते हैं या किस तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं. After this, what I'm gonna do, like I'm gonna take a plastic film. इस प्लास्टिक फिल्म के ऊपर I'm gonna place my bread and I'm gonna roll it once again so that it gets thick or it joins from the edge and it gets flattened up. Now with the mango juice, ये mango juice है. Mango juice में मैंने थोड़ा सा पानी और थोड़ा सा चीनी मिलाया था to moisten it up. अभी ये bread थोड़ा dry है. अगर हम इसको मॉइस्चर नहीं करेंगे तो हो सकता है कि जब हम इसको फ्रिज में रखें या डीप फ्रिज में रखें और इसको सेट करने छोड़ेंगे, इट कैन क्रम्बल अप. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू सेट एनीथिंग विद अ ब्रेड. तो इट्स जस्ट अ टिप फ्रॉम शेफ साइड कि अगर आप कभी भी ऐसा कुछ करते हैं तो ट्राई टू मेक इट मॉइस्चन. आप इसको थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चन कर लीजिए. और I'm sure everyone is gonna like it because of the mango juice, the mango jam, the mango flavor, the mango cut mango. Everything is gonna be mango. So this I'm gonna take mango jam. This is the mango jam which I have prepared at home. अगर market से आप लेना चाहते हैं and it is available in the market, go get it. No problem. I wanted to use the pulp of this mango so that whenever you have it, you'll get nice texture. So it all depends on you. ज्यादा मेहनत मत करो. वैसे तो मैं यही कहूंगा, कोरोना ने वैसे ही बहुत मेहनत करा दी है. उसके बाद what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna apply my mixed fruit jam. हम शेफ्स को क्या थोड़ा सा कीड़ा होता है होममेड बनाने का, घर का बनाने का, to keep it cheap, to keep it cost controlled. So that's why I'm making it homemade. नहीं बनाना चाहते हैं, it's okay. I'll put a bit of these cut mangoes. And on this mixed fruit, I'm gonna apply these apples. So it's why I'm doing this. If you want to like omit out this process, you can completely do that. मैं इसको केवल इसलिए कर रहा हूँ so that you will get a bit of crunch. अगर आप इसको bite करेंगे तो you will get a bit of crunch. So now this is the most tricky part, and this part is like आपको किस तरह इसको roll करना है. आप इसको completely roll नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपने इसको completely roll किया तो पिन व्हील के साथ साथ आप प्लास्टिक व्हील भी बना चुके होंगे, and you're gonna have the plastic in between. So just take the bread and roll it, then leave the bread and then try to flip it with the film, and then press it a bit. Don't press it too hard. इसको ज़्यादा जोर से मत दबाइएगा. Everything will come out. Just press it so that it can get stick. ये देखिए, इसको हल्का सा दबाना है ताकि ये इससे चिपक जाए. Then roll it again and just press it. Then roll it again. It's kind of a Swiss roll. You can say that it's kind of a Swiss roll, but don't worry that if it's getting open a bit, no problem. We are gonna roll it completely, and then we're gonna make a toppy kind of a thing. So ये इससे चिपक जाएगा. Don't worry about that. So this is how you can prepare your pinwheel roll. I'm gonna do one more if you want. It's not that hard. So I'm gonna do one more. Then we're gonna place it on the film. Gonna roll it one more time. बच्चों आप लोगों के लिए है ये. Mamas are not gonna make it. You are the one who's gonna prepare it. तो आप थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिएगा इसको. And show it to your mom कि भैया you don't rely on them for these nice recipes. अभी मम्मी को भी छुट्टी दो यार. Because मम्मा का जो काम है वो कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. So try to give your mama a bit kind of a small holiday or vacation and do something by yourself. मैं आपको बताऊं अगर I'll just share a small incident that happened with me when I was a kid. I used to sit beside my mom in the kitchen every time she used to cook, and that's how I became a chef. This is the basic reason I got interest in the kitchen. क्योंकि मैं अपनी माँ को कभी छोड़ता नहीं था उनके गोदी में. Don't worry, उस समय मैं इतना मोटा नहीं था तो I was easy to pick. फिर गोदी में लेने के लिए मम्मी को इतना परेशान नहीं होना पड़ता था. But yeah, from there, one day I wanted to have a shahi tukda or a shahi toast, and my mother said, मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी, I am tired. So I was like कि यार अब खाना तो है ही और मम्मी ने मना कर दिया. What can I do? तो बस उस जिद ने मेरा इंटरेस्ट जगाया था किचन में. And you'll not believe, on my first attempt, I burned the bread. मैंने उस ब्रेड को जला दिया था और पूरी किचन में धुआं था. इट वाज नॉट लाइक कि भैया पहली बार में हर कोई शेफ बन जाता है या पहली बार में हर कोई अपना प्रोडक्ट जो है वो कम्प्लीटली अच्छे तरह से निकाल पाता है. बट यस, यू नीड टू ट्राई. उसके बाद मैंने मम्मी की थोड़ी डांट खाई थी, थोड़ी सी मार भी खाई थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. और फिर बाद में मम्मी को मुझ पर थोड़ा प्यार आया तो उन्होंने खुद ने मेरे लिए शाही ब्रेड बना दी थी. बट या, दिस वाज द इंसिडेंट व्हिच has put me in front of you to prepare this. So I'm gonna roll it again. I'm gonna tightly roll it again. Yeah, and then we'll put it in the freezer. So I have already prepared 2 rolls. So I'll just show you. I'm gonna put this into the freezer, and I'm gonna take out my previous ones. Yeah. So you can see these are completely done. So what you need to do is take a knife and cut the edges. Don't worry about the plastic film, anyhow you're gonna throw it. So just cut the edges. And open it. So I'll just take it with me. Yeah. So now don't push it. कभी भी knife को आप चलाते हैं, it's again a tip. You need not to push the knife like this. Whenever you are cutting, just try to glide your knife. As long as you glide, see, you'll get a good color or good product. If you try to push it, see, when I try to push it, it doesn't cut and it spoils everything. So whenever you are cutting, don't push your knife, just try to glide it. And one more. Yeah. So you can see these small rolls like Swiss roll. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other as well. same thing I'm gonna do. Yeah. So as you can see, our rolls are done. Our pinwheel rolls are done. And आप इसको देखेंगे पास से तो आपको दिखेगा कि it's kind of a pinwheel जो हमारे pinwheels होते हैं. So it's kind of a pinwheel. That's why we name it as a pinwheel roll. Now we're gonna plate it. So for plating, I am using a platter that's available at my restaurant. No problem. अगर आपके घर में platter नहीं है तो you can directly put it on a plate. और plate पे भी नहीं तो just think innovative. आपके घर में जो tray होती है उस tray के ऊपर भी just do a garnish. जो plain tray होती है just do a garnish, just do a plating, and then you are good to go to directly put it on that. घर की जो trays होती हैं those are not only to serve water to the guests. This is how you can think innovative, you can think anything. It's like the modern art जो किसी के समझ में नहीं आती है पर फिर भी लोग करते हैं. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna place my rolls on this, on the edge of this. Yeah, and this I'm gonna serve it like that with our dip, that is the Nutella dip. So I'm sure no one can say no for the Nutella. This I'm gonna use for this I'm gonna use the Nutella, a good dollop of Nutella with 1 spoon of chocolate sauce. This is my dark chocolate dip, so I'm gonna use it just to give it an extra kick. आपको थोड़ा सा chocolatey flavor ज़्यादा मिलेगा. ये Nutella होता है थोड़ा मीठा होता है, so that's why I'm using this dark chocolate. I'm gonna put one more. Don't worry, this can get a bit sticky, so you just need to pour a bit of water in this, as we need to make a dip out of it. So don't worry if it gets a bit sticky. अच्छा वो ये अभी हो गया, so that अगर आपके साथ भी होता तो you would have asked me कि भैया क्या करना है इसका. Sometimes chocolate reacts, और ये chocolate के ऊपर होता है. Chocolate cooking में हमेशा आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ता है अपने टेम्परेचर का. कभी चॉकलेट गर्म हो जाता है, कभी चॉकलेट ठंडा हो जाता है, तो इट रिएक्ट्स अकॉर्डिंगली. बहुत सेंसिटिव कुकिंग होती है चॉकलेट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द किचन. So I'm gonna put this in a dip bowl. Very simple to make. कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, दो चीजें लेनी है और उसको मिक्स करना है. So guys, this is my, just a minute, my pinwheel, mango pinwheel. Just have a closer look. आप इसको पास से देख सकते हैं. These are my pinwheel with the Nutella dip. So this is how you can prepare any pinwheel you want. This was just a simple first recipe or one recipe or one kind of combination. आप चाहें तो इसको और दूसरे सैंडविचेस के साथ, जैसे आपका बेसिक टमाटर खीरे का सैंडविच होता है, you can do with that as well. आप चाहें तो चिकन सैंडविच के साथ, और if you are okay with the ham, then this goes best with ham and cheese sandwich. So it's up to you. So this was our first recipe. I'm gonna keep it on side. I'm just gonna clean it up. Just give me 2 minutes. It's gonna be a quick clean. Shilpa, till the time, if you want, you can show the recipe one more time so that if they have missed out something, they can write down, or they can just go through it one more time.
Yeah, sure. Monica, can you do the needful, please? Thank you. So Rahul, for how long should we keep the
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I have cleaned my station to keep. बेलन दे बेलन बेलन देना बेलन ओए बेलन दे दे दूसरा भी तो था ना
I hope the recipe is clear to the kids.
Yeah.
Screenshot.
I hope that was not that hard that you are not able to make it. So I am quite sure that mamas are gonna get treated with something.
Yeah, it is. It looks very yummy also. So, and very simple, of course. Yes.
Yeah. So we want to ask, for how many minutes should we keep it in refrigerator?
Like you can keep for 20 to 30 minutes, so that bread soaks the water completely, and it gets set.
Right. 15-20 minutes is ideal.
Ideally,
So
it's
quickly-
15-20 minutes.
Yeah. So quickly, chef, can we request you to just once again narrate it how to make it, and then we can go to the another recipe.
Sure. So, just a quick recap. What we have to do is, like, we have to take two breads, and then we have to overlap it from the edges and roll it with a rolling pin, so as to get it in a proper shape, in a plain smooth form. After that, we need to soak it with any of the flavored liquid. Maybe in this flavored liquid, I've used the mango juice. You can use any. You can use only the sugar water. You can use with the vanilla essence, whatever you want. And then you have to roll it. You have to apply the main ingredient which you want to apply, like how we have applied the mixed fruit jam and this mango jam. And then you have to roll it with the help of clean film. Just make sure that you don't put the clean film in between. You need to roll it by leaving the plastic film behind, and then you have to keep it in the fridge. You have to wrap it like a toffee, and then you have to keep it in the fridge. For dip, what I have taken is the Nutella. I've taken Nutella, and I've taken the dark chocolate sauce. I've mixed it well, and just to get a dip consistency, I have used a bit of water. What I have used is the apple flavored water, in which I have already kept my cut apple. So if you want, you can use a plain water as well. So yeah, we are ready with our other recipe. Shilpa, if you want, you can put up for the next recipe, for the next thing.
Yes, it's already on the screen. So it is Tex-Mex cottage cheese confit on whole wheat coin. Okay.
Yeah. So it's Tex-Mex cottage cheese. It's like paneer, which is prepared in Tex-Mex style with all the spices which people use in Mexico, Texas and Mexico. These are two different parts of America. और इन दोनों को हम combinedly kitchen में बोलते हैं या फिर combinedly use करते हैं just because the cuisine are almost the same. So that's why we use the word Tex-Mex. It's from Texas and Mexico. So for this, what I require is like I have prepared a dough. You can show, Krishna. You can show. This is our dough in which I have used whole wheat flour. इसके अंदर हमने 1 स्पून ऑयल डाला है, चॉप अनियन है, चॉप चिली है, चॉप कोरिएंडर है, सॉल्ट है, and a bit of red chili powder just because I like it a bit spicy. आप चाहें तो डाल सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो ना डालें, because Mexican people do like it spicy. Even one of the most spiciest chili is from Mexico. So if you want, you can definitely use. And for other things, like for the stuffing, the topping what I'm using is the cheese sauce. This is the melted cheese sauce. I have melted this sauce with a bit of Amul processed cheese, butter, milk. This is our mayonnaise, cottage cheese, chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped peppers, that is chopped green capsicum. These are chopped chilies, salt, cumin powder. Remember cumin powder, the cumin powder is the essential part of the Mexican cuisine. Maximum of the things are made with the cumin powder, so don't forget it. Black pepper, cheese, salsa, and a bit of ketchup. So first what I'll do is like I'll prepare my coins. Coins is like Bitcoins, you can say. It's gonna give us nice flavor. So what you have to do to prepare this one, हम इसको क्या करेंगे, हम इसको 2 बार कुक करेंगे. And how I'm gonna do that is, अभी हम इसको केवल इतना कुक करेंगे और इसको कुक करके I'm just gonna put it on my frying pan. I'm gonna fry this. I'm gonna put not gonna completely cook it, just gonna sear the layer on my tawa, and I'm gonna flip it again. और इसके बाद हम इसको दोबारा रोल करेंगे. So it's gonna be a bit lengthy process, but बच्चों को कुछ करना है तो कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So I'm just pouring a bit of olive oil. आप देख सकते हैं. And now I'm flipping it up. आप देखिए ये कुक नहीं हुआ है, ये बस थोड़ा सा सीयर हुआ है, as you can see. And now what we need to do is like we need to roll it again. So I'll take it off the heat. इसको heat से अलग हटा के, and then now I'm gonna roll it with a very soft hand. Otherwise, there are chances that it can break. आप soft hand से करेंगे तो भी हो सकता है कि ये टूट जाए. So try not to break it. So क्योंकि अगर ये टूट गया तो it will not be easy for us to take out the coin shape, the coin thing with a cutter. It's gonna be really crispy. It's gonna be really khasta because we have used oil and we are now cooking it for the two process. So now I'm gonna use a bit of oil. हमें थोड़ा oil use करना पड़ेगा. Just to keep in mind, I'm using the olive oil. आप चाहें तो butter भी use कर सकते हैं. Like looking at me, it can always say the butter makes everything better. So yeah, I do love butter a lot. It's up to you. अगर आप अपने बच्चे को, अपने child को थोड़ा healthy रखना चाहते हैं, use olive oil. I'll not suggest you to use the extra virgin olive oil because extra virgin olive oils are not meant to be cooked. They are meant to be consumed raw. So don't use extra virgin olive oil. Rather use the normal plain olive oil which is available. And you can listen the sound of that sizzle. Yeah, that's the music what we look for in our kitchen. Other than one. So talking about butter used to be my favorite thing. You'll not believe, in my childhood, I used to alone have this 500 grams ka butter in 2 days. Even there is one place in Jaipur which is named as Chowkidani. तो वहाँ पे ऐसे छोटे-छोटे दियों में butter देते हैं to rub it on your rotis or chapatis. So my maximum of having those small diyas of butter is 21 in counting. That's how that till that extent I love the butter. देखिए जब बच्चों के लिए कुछ बनाने जाते हैं तो अपने बचपन की चीजें याद आती रहती है. So that's why I wanted to tell you. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारा ऑलरेडी कुक हो गया है. कुक हो जाएगा तो it will become a bit more crispy. So you need to be very careful while flipping it up. Otherwise you can break it. Whatever we do, we just need to focus to not to break it out. Take this off the heat as it is cooked completely, and I'll just clean up my station first, and I'll take this off the heat. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna take this cutter and I'm gonna take the coins out of it. So this is how you can take out the coins, or maybe the rounds. I call them coins. You can call anything, whatever you want, out of this. अगर आपके पास ऐसा कटर नहीं है तो you can use a cap of any of the bottle you have, or maybe the pipe, the rod which you might have kept when the construction was going on. So you can use any of the thing. This is how you innovate when you are there in the kitchen. So I'm just gonna trim out this one a bit. Sometimes it doesn't get off easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. So I'm gonna prepare these, and don't worry about these trimmings. I'm sure you're gonna you can use this as a snack. Just put it in the salsa and you can definitely use it, or you can have it with the salsa as a dip. you can use them. So what I'm gonna do is, like, first I'm gonna keep this in my platter. And the next thing on which we are gonna work out is our topping. So for topping, what I require is a bit of oil again on the pan. And I'm gonna add onion to this. Tex-Mex cuisine is always full of onions, peppers, garlic. Not using garlic in this. If you want, you can use, and you can use a big amount of garlic. If you want to make this recipe more rich or more uh, like luxurious thing, or maybe more expensive, you can use the Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is the best. Mexicans do like it. After Manchego, Manchego is obviously the cheese from Mexico. But after Manchego, what people there like most is Parmesan cheese. Not only in Mexico, in every part of world, Parmesan cheese is the most liked cheese. That's why it's known as the king of the cheese. So really, we made two dishes today which are the kings of their own families. Like mango is the king of the fruits, and we are talking about Parmesan cheese, which is the king of the cheese. We need not to completely brown it, जैसे हम इंडियन खाने में करते हैं, अनियन को completely brown करते हैं. आप देखिए हमारे अनियन जो है वो थोड़े से ट्रांसलूसेंट हो गए. I'm gonna add peppers to this, a bit of chili. अगर आप चिली यूज नहीं करना चाहते हैं and then you but you want a bit of spicy hint to this, add jalapenos. The pickled jalapenos what we get in the jar, आप वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. It's completely on you. आप क्या यूज करना चाहते हैं. In the initial, you will definitely see it like a paneer bhurji or maybe the bhurji masala. But yeah, we are going to prepare the confit, which is going to be like this only. Going to add a bit of tomatoes and a bit of tomato ketchup, just to give it a nice kick. ये एक मेरा fusion है. You need not to add ketchup when you are making Tex-Mex spice cottage cheese stuffing. This is the Indian touch what I am giving. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसमें आप जिस भी तरह का वेजिटेबल चाहें वो डाल सकते हैं. इट्स गुड फॉर किड्स हेल्थ एज वेल, क्योंकि बच्चे का कई बार वेजिटेबल्स नहीं खाना चाहते हैं, तो आप उनको चीज में छुपा के मेयोनेज़ में लपेट के एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कहते हैं ना बुद्धू बना सकते हैं. एंड इट्स काइंड ऑफ समथिंग न्यू, सो दैट डेफिनेटली गोना लाइक इट. So now, as I have sauteed everything, I'm just gonna season it with a bit of black pepper, cumin powder, and salt. उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे just a dash of Tabasco. और अब हम इसको गैस को बंद कर देंगे. It's completely cooked. once this is done, what I'm really gonna do is like I'm gonna add a bit of cheese sauce to this to give it a nice body, and a bit of mayonnaise. And I'm gonna mix it. So the heat of the pan, जो pan की जो heat है, वही इसको cheese को और इसको cook करके it will get it together. It will get it combined together. I'm just gonna add a bit of ketchup more, give it a nice color and taste. Just give me 1 minute. I might have forgot one thing to put, and that is oregano. Yeah. So our topping is done. So it's time for us to plate. What I'm gonna use for this is my platter. This platter, I am gonna put ketchup, cheese sauce, and then just to do the plating. That's what I said. You can use any of the process to do the plating. Then I'm gonna take out my coins and I'm gonna place it on the side. Yeah, I'm gonna just wash my spoon. And now with the 2 spoons, I require 2 spoons just to give it a proper shape. So I'm just gonna play a bit with this. We call this quenelle. So I'm just gonna put quenelles of our dip in this. This is how we do the time pass in the kitchen. And everyone thinks that we are working a lot. This is actually a job of a trainee or a person who is starting his job. Is like he's doing these kind of things, these non-profitable, these things which chef really finds it too boring to do. Even in my kitchen, I never do this thing. I always ask my staff to do this. But yeah, this can be quite presentable. Now, I'm just gonna top it up with the salsa. And just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna top it with a bit of coriander, cilantro. Mexican call it cilantro. So I'm gonna top it up with cilantro. Okay. So yes, this is our second recipe, which is Tex-Mex spice cottage cheese on our whole wheat bitcoins. So Shilpa, if you want, you can ask people to if they have any question, they can ask me. So guys, you can do one thing if you want to have the fusion of this. आप इसके फ्यूजन के लिए आप इसमें जो हमने जो पनीर है जिसको हमने मैक्सिकन स्टाइल से किया है, आप चाहें तो इसको इंडियन स्टाइल से या फिर तंदूरी स्टाइल से भी कर सकते हैं. तंदूरी स्टाइल के लिए आपको इसको कॉटेज चीज को पनीर टिक्का करना पड़ेगा, एंड देन यू कैन मिक्स इट इन makhni gravy and then with the cheese and mayonnaise. So think innovative, think out of the box and cook. Do cook bills. Over to you, Shilpa.
Yeah, so it looks yummy. So many people
I
were
hope.
asking me, do they have to prepare it right now? So I requested them to just see the video right now, how you're doing things, and then prepare it later on. We have shared the ingredients, the recipe, entire recipe. So there were a few questions. First of all, for the first
Yeah.
recipe, how long do you have to keep it in refrigerator? So you have already answered for
I
about,
have replied already. Yeah.
yeah.
It's
Yeah.
always, it's like 20 minutes minimum. If you put it more, it gets more tougher. Just make sure that it doesn't become ice. क्योंकि अगर ice बन गया तो इसमें जो भी bread है, it's gonna lose its structure और ये ice melt होने के बाद वो crumble हो जाएगा. So don't make it ice till the time you can keep it in the fridge.
Okay. So is there a second thing is there any alternate for using plastic wrap? Because many people don't have it.
You can use aluminium foil if you want, but then plastic wrap allows you to see through and keep a vision on the structure and on how it's going good or not. So yeah, you can use the
Okay, what
aluminium
about,
foil, but more preferred is.
and what
Sorry?
about, can they use the paper? Is it advisable?
No paper, because as soon as paper is gonna come in contact with water, it's gonna stick on the bread. फिर आप
No,
उसको
butter paper, butter
सूंघते रह
paper.
जाओ. Yeah, butter paper again, it's not gonna confine at the ends like to give a proper toffee like structure so that it
Right.
can hold the ends of the roll.
Right. So best is you to use plastic only, plain.
You use the plastic paper,
Any-
or else if you have this recyclable plastic polythene which is available in the market, or which some vendors do give with their stuff, so you can use that as well. Just wash it nicely and then you can use that also.
Right. So somebody asked, can we make it by adding some choco chips and Nutella?
Yeah, you can definitely, that's what I said in my video as well, that this is just because I wanted to do it with the mango. You can apply anything, not too big. Like if you are using choco chips, just make sure that you can crush it before using it, so it doesn't spoil the structure or the outer layer by coming out from the thin sandwich.
Right. So many people ask how to make mango jam or mango juice. So I think we have shared the recipe. Please go through it. And somebody asked if we can use a day-old bread. So can you answer that, Chef?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, please. I'll rather suggest to use a day-old bread, so that whenever you are rolling it, it doesn't get pressed it doesn't get pressed out completely, but not too old. Otherwise, अगर थोड़ी ज़्यादा पुरानी bread होगी तो it's gonna crumble. It's again gonna scatter like this. So day-old or a 2-day-old would be good enough, but not too old.
All right. Somebody asked from which thing do we roll the bread? Beta wo belan ho gaya, aap usse karein please. This is Binu Gattani.
हाँ, आप बेलन यूज कर सकते हैं. आपके पास बेलन अवेलेबल नहीं है तो हमारे घर में पानी की बोतल होती है, आप उससे यूज कर सकते हैं. Use anything, just roll it.
So, sir, if we do not have a Nutella, can we use Hershey's syrup? This is asked by Garvit Jorwal.
Yes, you can use it, or else if you want to add some other flavor, then you can buy any chocolate and then you can microwave it so that it gets melt, and then you can use that chocolate as well.
Okay. I'm looking for more questions. So somebody asked us, sir, what you have used in making dough. Please, you have already shared it.
Sorry.
Somebody asked what you have used in making dough. So I wrote it in the recipe is there already. Go through.
Yeah, it's whole wheat flour. I have used whole wheat flour, onion, coriander, and chili, bit of salt and red chili powder.
So for many who have asked, we have shared the recipe. I hope you can copy paste it, and we will also put it on our FB page. So you can visit our FB page. It is in the name of Yah, YEAH with exclamation mark.
If anyone wants to like ask for more about the recipes, they can even DM on my Instagram as well.
Sorry.
If anyone wants to have more question about these recipes or maybe other recipes, they can visit on my Instagram
Yeah,
page
absolutely.
anytime.
Follow Chef Rahul Singhal on his Instagram handle, which is Cook Dilse, COOKDILSE, Cook Dilse. Please do follow him there.
It's like cook. It's like cook dil se, because I am the cook who prepares the food dil se, and you always prepare the food dil se. That's why it's cook dil se. So it's with chef underscore Rahul underscore Singhal.
Right. Uh,
So I hope today mothers are gonna get treated well.
I mean, all the questions, if there are more in there.
If you want, I'm ready to answer. Like if there are more questions, just let them come so that people don't have doubt when they're preparing something.
Yeah, so I think in 1 minute we can give. Somebody, Adhya Sharma asked, sir, can we use bottle cap instead of a cutter in the second recipe?
Yeah, definitely. I told them you can use any cap of cap of any bottle, any jar, or maybe the rod which like आप अपने घर में कभी पर्दे लटकवाए तो हो सकता है उनका छोटा मोटा रॉड कुछ घर में बचा रहता है. Just wash it maybe, sanitize it and then use it.
True. So I'm reading some more questions.
Yeah.
Gauri Vijay says, ma'am, he had said fireless cooking, but he's using fire to cook it. Bache, first recipe was fireless, and second recipe that was for mummies, that was with fire. So that is it about it.
See, mothers are best players of fire. They
Absolutely,
can fight the
that's what-
fire anytime. So they can.
I
they
said
can
that
do the
on the
fire.
chat jokes. I told them that moms can handle fire well. So the second recipe has
Yeah, I know that. If moms have handled us, they can handle the fire anytime.
Yes. True that.
Yeah. So what are these coins made of? I think it's already in the
They are made of whole wheat.
yes.
In the recipe, it's in the recipe.
So there are repeated questions only. So I'm going through that. If you want to give some tips, maybe you can share some tips while, chef with children and with mothers if they are around.
Definitely. See, whenever you are preparing something, do remember one thing that just go through. Whenever you are trying something new, just go through the recipes. हम लोगों के बहुत सारी चीजें होती है दिमाग में, या फिर आजकल एक ट्रेंड बन गया है which is like YouTube पे डाल दो, and जो chefs होते हैं वो YouTube पे edited version डाल. So I would rather ask you, whenever you're preparing something, don't be afraid of doing anything, but yes, go through the recipe once before preparing it, because I'm sure if you miss out something, it's gonna hurt you bad by your, because if the recipe goes wrong and you don't get the product, it hurts when no one praises. And being a chef, being a mother, it's a thankless job. So I'm sure mothers can understand this thing, that yeah, you need to be very precise when you are preparing something. Second, there are many things we talked about the salsa which I have used here. Salsa is always raw. salsa is a thing which is not cooked. So देखिए बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं सालसा कुक होती है. Even you will not believe, जयपुर का एक ब्लॉगर है, I will not take the name. One of the bloggers of Jaipur asked me that your salsa is raw. So chef, you need to cook it. So please don't cook the salsa. It gets cooked by the spices, by the acid of lemon, and by the oil which you apply in it. It's like the achar of Mexico. So हम अचार का भी cook नहीं करते हैं. So please don't salsa. कोई Mexican देखेगा उसको.
Okay.
Anything
So
else
there
if
are
you want to
also
ask this?
questions. Somebody asked that can they use refined oil instead of olive oil? Would you suggest that?
You can use refined oil. You can use ghee. You can use butter. You can use refined oil. Don't use sarson ka tel, please. Don't use tilli ka tel. You can use refined oil.
Okay, and somebody had asked if they don't have cheese, what is the can be used?
Sorry.
If there is no cheese available at home, what is the alternative for cheese?
If the cheese is not available, then I'll rather ask you if you can prepare a bit of white sauce. थोड़ा सा white sauce जो होता है अपना, जो पास्ता के लिए white sauce बनाते हैं, use that. Cheese is basically to get everything together. जैसे ही cheese melt होता है, melt होने के बाद obviously it gives a flavor. But अगर cheese नहीं है तो we'll not talk about the cheese flavor. But yes, अगर आपके पास cheese नहीं है तो just try to get a bit of 1 or 2 spoon of white sauce, special sauce, so that it can bind the thing together.
Many are asking that why the fireless mentioned it's a
Sorry.
fire for and yummy cooking for mothers. So mothers can handle fire and without fire as well, right? Just as Monica said.
Yeah.
So one recipe especially for kids, which is fireless, and for mothers use fire so that it could, we can play with the recipe and time here. And we hope that both the recipes are thoroughly enjoyed here. And for recipes, we already put it on chats. You can chat, you can check the chats, copy them, and also we will share it on our FB page very soon. So do visit our FB page, that is YEAH with exclamation mark, yeah. And to follow Chef, please for Instagram, his Instagram, Cook Dilse, COOKDLSA. That is all of it. I think so. We can conclude the session. So
Yeah.
quickly,
Okay.
tell
Everybody,
birthday
thank you,
how
Rahul.
to make salsa dip. Sorry, Monica.
I'm so sorry. I thought we are concluding.
Yeah.
So,
So
continue.
there are
Just take
questions.
the tomatoes. Yeah, I'll quickly answer that. Just take tomatoes and then take out the skin and the seeds from inside and chop it roughly. After chopping the tomatoes, add a bit of ketchup, take 2 spoons of ketchup, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, cumin powder, chili, chop onion, and you can. I already told you cumin powder. Just jalapenos, olive oil. Done. Your salsa is done. This is a basic tomato salsa. You can prepare many other salsas. Like if you want, you can prepare fruit salsa. Fruit salsa के लिए थोड़े से rules different होते हैं. थोड़ा सा combination different होता है. You cannot use onion for tomato salsa. You cannot use chili for salsa. If you want to use chili, if you want your salsa a bit spicy when it comes to fruit salsa, then add chili flakes. Don't add green chili. Add mint instead of. So these are a bit combinations. That's what I said. Whenever you are preparing something, just go to the recipe because there are combinations which are made by such talented chefs in the world. So just mind them and just follow them, and I'm sure you're definitely gonna get to the perfect product.
So you got your answer. So there are certain recipes that they want for like for sour cream. So you can Kratika saying you can follow
Sour
chef
cream
on.
is very. Let me answer this as well because it is again attached to text. sour cream is basically, अगर sour cream आपके पास available नहीं है, क्योंकि sour cream बनाने के लिए हम cream लेते हैं, cream को हम yogurt की तरह करते हैं, थोड़ा सा गर्म करते हैं, उसमें yogurt डालते हैं, and then we get crème fraîche. Cream is basically known as crème fraîche. अगर आपको जल्दी बनानी है, if you don't have time, if you really want to make it quick, so what you can do is you can take the Amul wala cream, just squeeze lemon in that, salt and black pepper, whisk it nicely, make it a bit fluffy, and you will get your sour cream. This is Jhakka sour cream.
Right. So there are many questions, so you can post them on our FB page. Please, we'll be more than happy to answer them, because it's already 5, not 8, and our time is kind of over. So we would like to conclude, and we really apologize that we cannot answer all the questions. There are so many questions, but please do put them on our Facebook page. We would love to answer them. And Monica, over to you.
Yeah, so thank you, Rahul, for the lovely recipes that you shared with us. And for the kids and all participants out there, once again, I repeat, the first recipe was fireless for kids. The second one was for moms. So don't get confused. The queries were coming up, why fire is being used. So there were 2 recipes, right? One for you, one for the mom to make you happy. Right. So thank you very much. Thank you everybody for being patient and nice and participating here into these sessions. This was the second session from YA, and we look forward to coming up with some very beautiful, informative, engaging sessions in times to come, for which I request you all to follow us on our Facebook page, like it, and keep updated. Right. So all of you, thanks once again. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you so much, Chef, for being here and sharing such an interesting recipe. In fact, recipes with kids and moms and us. Thank you so much, Rahul. Thank you.